Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing the best smartwatch waterproof fitness tracker heart monitor you can get on a budget, the TYKOIT smartwatch. It's stylish, packed with features, and perfect for both Android and iOS users. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll notice about this smartwatch is its clean and modern design. It comes in a 41mm size with a vibrant 1.5-inch full-color touchscreen display. The screen is responsive, bright, and supports customizable watch faces. You can personalize the dial with built-in themes or even set your own image. Whether you're at the gym or in a meeting, this watch adapts with features like brightness adjustment, do not disturb mode, and night mode. But this watch is more than just looks, it's packed with practical tools. You get access to a stopwatch, countdown timer, music control, breathing training, and even a wrist raise wake function. And with the built-in alarm and reminder system, you can schedule everything from water breaks to appointments with ease. Let's talk health tracking, this is where it shines. The smartwatch monitors your heart rate in real time, and the data syncs seamlessly to the app. You can also manually check your blood oxygen levels at any time. Sleep tracking is automatic and breaks down your light sleep, deep sleep, and awake periods, helping you build better sleeping habits over time. For fitness enthusiasts, this watch supports 10 sports modes including yoga, walking, and running. It tracks steps, calories burned, distance, and activity time throughout the day. And if you're outside, connect the watch to your phone's GPS to record your workout route in real time. It's also IP68 waterproof, meaning you can wear it while washing your hands, in the rain, and even while swimming or diving. Staying connected is easy. The watch sends you notifications from your favorite apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and SMS. You'll also see call alerts directly on your wrist, though keep in mind, you can't reply or make calls from the watch. It does, however, keep you informed without needing to reach for your phone every few minutes. Battery life is another major win. Just 2 hours of charging gives you up to 7 days of usage or 30 days on standby. That's more than enough for most users, and perfect for travel or busy weeks. Compatibility is wide. It works with Android 6.0 or iOS 11.0 and above, and connects via Bluetooth 4.0 or higher. One thing to remember, it's not compatible with tablets or computers. The watch also includes gentle reminders for optimal use, like not wearing it too tight to avoid skin irritation and giving it a break during prolonged use. These small notes show attention to user comfort. In summary, the TYKOIT smartwatch is one of the best choices in its price range. It combines functionality, style, and wellness-focused features in a sleek package. Whether you're tracking your workouts, managing your schedule, or monitoring your health, this smartwatch has you covered. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking for a budget-friendly smartwatch that punches above its weight, the TYKOIT smartwatch is definitely worth considering. See you in the next one.